Today in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how you can concate strings in Java program. Okay, so as you can see we have used the print command twice to print two sentences. One sentence is hi there and the other sentence is how are you doing today. Since we have used print instead of print ln, that's why both the sentences are in the same line. Okay, if we had used print ln, then we could have output something like this: hi there in the first line, then how are you doing today in the second line. And because of the second ln, there would be a space between this particular sentence and this particular message which says process finished with exit code 0. I showed you in the previous video about that, but today in this one I'm going to show you how you can use a single print command and then have the same level of output. Okay, so all that you have to do is to cut this particular string from here. I'm going to use, as you can see, Control X. Now I'm going to get rid of this particular thing. Okay, I'm deleting this. Now I'm going to place my cursor over here. I don't know why my PC actually is behaving weird. I need to press Ctrl Z for a couple of times. Okay, let me delete that once again. Okay, now all I need to do is place the cursor here, and I'm going to type plus sign, hit the plus sign, and now I'm going to paste the string that I cut from the below line. And now all that I need to do is to hit run once again, and I will get back once I get to but how do I convince you that actually it's going to be a new program and the output is from the new program? In order to convince you for that, let me put something new here after the exclamation mark. Let me here place, as you can see, I have put a space here and the space is not present here. So let me run once again. Yes, main run. So okay, I will get back to you once I get to show you the output. Okay guys, as you can see, here is the space. So this output is from the changed code that we wrote a few moments ago. So this is how you can use a single print command and have printed uh, multiple entities. This one is a string and this is also another string. And let me hit the plus sign once again, and after the plus sign I'm going to write 25. Okay, now I'm going to hit the shortcut for running the program, and at the moment you do not see anything after today. So when the program will run once again, you will get to see 25. Okay guys, as you can see, here is 25. So after changing the program, after adding this 25, we have got this new output. So this is how you concate. We have actually we have concatenate, let's say, three strings, because whatever you write inside these first brackets or the curved brackets of the print function, they are all considered as a string by this particular method. So since we have used two plus signs, so there are three strings. One is hi there, the other is how are you doing today, and the third one, although it looks like an integer, but it is actually considered as a string by this particular function or method. So this is how. So today in this video I have showed you how to use concatenation while you print something in a Java program. Okay, thank you guys, stay with me. I hope I will teach you something new in the next video.